Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. And to enter prank mode, you have to start by open the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, it will enter to prank mode automatically and you will see it at the device list like I have right now. But we can also enter to prank mode manually, especially because these earbuds support dual connection. On the front side we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light start flashing, and now as you can see it looks like this, and we just enter prank mode manually. Now you can add your earbuds to your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!